Welcome to my YouTube channel today. In this video, I am showing you how to increase your Celia token and how to increase your Celia point and every other thing you need to know about the Celia mining app that can make you to increase and to mine better. Number one thing I want to tell you is that every 24 hours or thereabout, you have to go to the Celia mining app and click on mine when when the mining has stopped. So the total points that you have is going to show every time you are mining and you are doing some other activity on the app, which I'm going to show you. It is going to be gathering points. Every 24 hours is 30,000 points. Then some other activity will add up, and then every day like that until the end of the month. At the end of the month, the very last day of the month, you are going to convert the points you have mined into Celia token. There is a conversion rate which will be made known to you. So you look at the total points you have mined and then you input it, and then it will convert it to Celia token. I will talk more about that in a jiffy. Now, after that, when you want to mine on the Celia app, you are going to click on mine. So when you click on mine, in my own case currently, I am currently mining. So it's showing you are currently mining. Once you show you are currently mining, that means there's nothing you can do there. I still have about 15 hours, 27 minutes before my next mining will take place. Now, so I have to leave that place and come to airdrop. When I click on airdrop, all the airdrop available, I have claimed them. So there's no airdrop I have to claim in this case. Then you come to KYC. On the home page, it said you are verified. You successfully completed your verification process. So based on that, I leave that place and come to stake. So if you want to stake, you can enter the amount of Celia you want to stake, and then you can stake and then go ahead. I have not taken part in this staking yet, but I will still look at that later. Now you now come to send. That means you want to send your Celia token to another person's wallet. So you click on the amount the participant, the final address of the person. You enter it there. You enter the recipient email address. Then you now enter the amount of Celia token that you want to send. So when you do that, you are going to be able to send it. But I've been trying to do that here. It's showing that I don't have sufficient. Okay, let me just enter an arbitrary email. Okay, I've entered something. So when you do that, then you click on continue. I have not tried to send Celia token to anybody before, but this is where you can send. Then on the home page again, you can receive Celia token. So it said future past deadline has passed. Any token received now will be lost permanently. So that's what that is saying. Then you can also come to socials. On this social, it gives you the opportunity to follow all the community pages of Celia. You can follow them on Twitter, follow on Telegram, read their blog, follow them on Instagram, and then you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So this is where you do that in the community. So in that community, you are going to be able to see any information that you have regarding the Celia mining. Then milestone is the next thing. In this milestone, what you have not achieved is there, and then what you have achieved is also here. So it's saying here complete milestone and earn points, and it's saying you have not achieved 32 trophies so far. You have not achieved 32 trophies so far, and it's saying you have achieved 8 trophies so far. So I didn't achieve 32 and I achieved 8. I think I've not been going to this place because you have to be going there and clicking and doing what you need to do. So then the next thing is invite. When you click on invite on the home page, then you can click on okay, here it's saying I have 1,000 points to claim from my referral. So I've not claimed it. I've just clicked it now, and it is going to be claimed now. An advert about if you borrow from a particular app is coming up, so I have to silence the volume. So it's saying claim rewards. So I'm clicking on it again. I want to claim my 1000 points, and I'm waiting for the claim to take place so that I can go on. So that is that about that. Now for referral, it's still in this place also. So you for referring anybody, you get up to 500 points for referring a friend. So you share the code, you click on share code, then you can copy the code and then share it with your friends. That is under invite. Then under claim, as I told you at the start, that every between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. UTC, you can claim. That is the last day of every month. All the Celia points you gather, you will claim it, and then it will become Celia token. So the points will be converted to Celia token, and that is that. So from the home page now, I've looked at everything regarding the home page. Then we come to team. When you come to team, the people that you have invited are here. I've invited Bamidele Taiwo. I've invited Babatunde 424242. I've invited Gag Chess Sunday. I've invited Joseph Shonoye. I've invited Gose Gumbudu. I've invited Modi Blessing. I've invited Colin Boucher. I've invited Edmond Sule. I've invited Michael Jewett. I've invited Mojit Sam 01. And all of them have been verified except Edmond Sule and Babatunde 4242. They are not verified. So I want to ping them so that they can remember and come back to the app if they have not been on the app. So I've pinged all of them that are invited. So after that, you come to history, still at the base. So the history shows everything that has been happening, your earnings. So referral bonus, I just claim it today, which is 1000 points. Then milestone reward 10,000 points, milestone reward again 7,500, referral mining bonus 1,762, then mining reward 30,000. So like that and like that, all the things that are there. Total token claim on the 31st, which is 1724 UTC, is a 1,240,576 points, and then it's converted to Celia token, and on that way. Then I now come to rank. My rank will show. Currently, it's showing the leaderboard, showing the top 200, and then the number one on the list is having 2.1 million Celia token, and that is KM Runal. So I think this is an Asian name, and it's like the Asians are more into this than Africans or any other continent. So the total users on the Celia mining app is 650,341 as at the time I'm making this video. So that is that about that. And then the 200 person on the list here is 684,000 Celia token. So you can imagine if they are going to list, these people are in for a big take. My own token at the moment is 548 Celia token, and I'm still trying to measure up. So what all this means is that every 24 hours you have to come to the app and do something, and do everything that you need to do. So this is where I'm going to stop in this video at this time. Please use my link to join the Celia mining app if you have not joined, and if you have joined, make sure that every 24 hours you're on the app and you do everything you need to do. And the last day of the month, you go on the app and then you claim your token and you convert your points onto token on the last day of the month. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one. My name is Olubengadetiton, and I'm the brain behind this YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. And if you're taking these steps, you are going to be glad you did. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Please share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back for more. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch until I come your way in the next one.